While the drone pouch tensioner tabs can be installed prior or after installation of the adapter kit, we recommend installing it before the adapter kit. The tensioners must be installed prior to the frame being inserted into the adapter kit. Tensioner tabs should also be installed prior to any pouch suite items mollied to the front of the burro. In order to install tensioner tabs, you must first install the tearaway flap and the pouch to the side of the burro. The drone pouch tensioner tabs will be inserted into the molle slots from the pouch to the burro on both sides of the burro. The tensioner tab should be installed with the ladder lock facing outward from the burro. This allows the webbing to be pulled away from the burro so it does not interfere with other pouches or the frame. To install, loosen the tensioner and align it with the center of the pouch if possible. Mount both sides of the tensioner tab loose to the pouch and the burro. Insert the bottom side of the tab into the molle slot and then bend the top part of the tab into the next molle slot up. Repeat this process on the other side of the burro and the pouch. Next, tighten both tensioner tabs on the front and back of the pouch and burro so that the pouch is securely affixed to the side of the burro with no movement forward or back. With these tensioner tabs installed, it is okay to route your molle either over or under the tensioner tab when installing your frame.